Hi, I'm Mark with Fluke Networks. With the retirement of the CableIQ qualification tester, you might want to check out the LinkIQ Cable Network Tester. Here are the key differences between these two products. The most noticeable difference is the display. This LinkIQ is easier to read and understand. And if you want to enter names or identifiers, there's really no comparison. Another thing you'll notice is that there's no coaxial connector in the LinkIQ. If you need coaxial testing, check out our microscanner too. Both of these units can qualify the performance of installed cabling, but while the CableIQ supports speeds only up to 1 gig, the LinkIQ supports newer speeds, all the way to 10 gig. Both can detect an Ethernet port. The LinkIQ can also show you the switch name and address, along with the port and VLAN number. The LinkIQ also offers network testing with DHCP configuration and IP ping. The LinkIQ is Ethernet Alliance certified for testing all IEEE compatible versions of Power over Ethernet. It displays the class and amount of power and also places a load on the circuit to ensure the power is really there. Finally, both offer reporting. The CableIQ with a proprietary package, the LinkIQ using our Linkware PC platform, which supports our certification testers and is used by tens of thousands worldwide. These are the key advantages the LinkIQ brings. For more information, follow the link below.